And here I am. That's it.
That's great. On the top.
I work for, as I told you, for Emil, which has taken me to nearly 35 countries into all instrumentation. I've traveled around the globe, and this is my photograph of the lean days. And this is my family. I got a son who is now in 12th and daughter who is just in the final year of engineering. My son at the age of 10 was a national champion for swimming. He was a sub-junior champion of India. So they are now grown up. And that's it. Once again, thank the organizers. I salute you all. Thank you.
Karen, salute. Please, no good to talk.
Everybody knows that. And I also played, as a goalkeeper in the football team. Okay, go up and down, huh?
Yeah.
Just arrows.
Just click. Reverse slide.
Yeah, that's me then. That's my real hair. Okay. That's me now. Currently located in Baltimore, Washington area in the US. Got some photos, the mess, Karnataka mess, and some other close friends. Ganeshwar is here. Kamaluddin, Saikya are not here, and of course Manohar is no more.
Photo other than
Manohar Sutati.
Manohar Sutati. And this is the football team in Mysore in front of my house. There's another football team, 78, 79 team. Okay, work history, Maryland Transportation Authority is a state agency. I worked there in 2005. A short stint at Prime Engineering. That was when I came in 2017, and that's when I was. And now I have my own firm, about 15, 16 people, a consulting engineering firm. That's my wife Uma. We got married in 1996. This is actually the reception in 97. We got married in November 96 in Bangalore. But this is the photo in US. That's my real hair too. I was a hippie,
all hippies.
That's my family now. The 3 kids. Ankit is the oldest, who's bald down, me with my bald head, my wife. And then Pulkit and Pernika are the twins, girl and boy. This was taken in Suresh's son's wedding in December. He asked me for other details. Nobody gave except I.
Work hard, man. Don't do that.
Work hard, play hard, slowing down, never smoke, social drinker, bottom line, help people in need, have fun, be happy.
Okay.
Right?
Wow.
That's it, guys. Thank you very much.
Great.
What?
Shortest presentation. Great.
Shortest.
No, anybody else?
Yeah, Sanjeev.
Okay. Just open one. My job had been from last many months to join all these guys. You're here. I kept on joining, adding, finding them in the globe, talking to them. Every day I call somebody, request them to be part of our gang.
WhatsApp admin.
Pardon?
WhatsApp admin, super admin.
WhatsApp man.
No, it's not thankless. This has become my passion. I don't do anything. Only I just do this.
You do this, correct. And nobody can do better.
I think you just start off.
Namaskar.
Yeah, my PPT is getting downloaded from many days. So any of other guy who is there? Okay.
I saw some.
It's not seen on the screen, so somebody else can come.
You have sent all.
Oh, I'm not that good. Oh, I should look there. Okay, sorry.
Wait.
Sorry. The place where Taj Mahal is, I belong to UP. And this, I'm just showing some of the photographs, please. Go back, yeah.
You are from the state of Mulayam Singh Yadav also.
Amratan Prajapati is not here. Next, please do the next, please. Okay, I attended 2007 our Silver Jubilee reunion. I had just brought some photograph of that reunion, so as you guys can know, these are some of our professors.
Who's Kaka, Sanjeev?
Kaka is there sitting with a barefooted is sitting.
No, put it on presentation.
Is here. You see the Kaka. Kaka was in workshop sheet metal. He is there. Kaka is there. Yaragatti sir is there.
Yeah, but Sanjeev, put it on presentation.
No, the problem is, you know,
auto
running.
Okay. Oh, can you put on slideshow mode over there? Minj. Next, please. Arun. Arun on the left. Here I know some of them, and next slide, please. Yeah, this is Ajay Jha, Thakral, Lale, Handu, me, Rakesh Vittal. Vinci is there behind. Vincent Koland. This is Thavani, Arvind, Ajay Jha. Next, please. Cherian P. Thomas. This is Raju, Lale, Karthikeyan. You can see yourself here in 2007. Yeah. Next, please. This is Vinci, the family and my wife with them. Josna. This is my work history. I work with the UP Development Authority Services. So all these places I work. Mostly I worked in Lucknow. This is when I got married. This is my 25th Silver Jubilee. This is 2 days after I got married. Next, please. This is my family. My daughter is graduate of Columbia Journalism School, and my son is in China, who is there. And my wife. The photograph is the top one is a Shimla. Next, please. Yeah, this is my wife, myself, my kids. Romit is there. Romit has come here, and he is a top photograph wearing a red sweater. This is our whole life. This is my wife. She used to come to every reunion. Unfortunately, she is not here. This is probably the first reunion she is not here. Next, please. This is me enjoying Bahamas cruise, Alaska cruise, and this is my profile. I got it. Okay, backslide.
Question.
Yeah, please. Welcome, please.
Who's that chick?
Good chick. Who knows the name of the chicks? Any more?
Smiling wider.
Pardon?
Who's smiling wider? I don't know. But both are together.
Okay. This is my credentials. I got a certificate from Chief Minister of UP for my good work. In between from Mayawati, a famous name. This is I have been cricket, skating, roller skating, table tennis team, hockey team, joint secretary of editors of the college magazine, and I got a lot of certificates from other agencies. I did my MTech in 2013. I had from MNIT Allahabad. My wife is with me. She is also a professor in MNIT Allahabad. She is with me here.
You graduated.
I will tell you.
You should have told. Sanjay, you should have stopped with that.
I will tell you. I topped in MTech. She teaches English and I did from environmental engineering. So you can believe Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Great. Easy way to get a
Yeah, Sholab, please.
So I sent this presentation to Samshi, and he says, who grows up from Amitabh to Sayed? Me. Sorry, I don't have any pictures from. Can you hear me now? Apologize. So, my legal name is Syed Rauf Sholapur, and somebody called me Saeed. I know who he was. It was Gopi who gave me my name Saeed. And I liked it, and later on I think Lokluchi also started saying Saeed. Lokluchi used to call me Saeed. Later on, you changed to Sayed, maybe because I probably used Sayed somewhere else. Sholapur is my last name, and that's the city which I actually originally my parents come from. So it's easy for me to tell my last name because people relate to Sholapur. Initially, I got to do this. That's me. Not much I can say on this slide, can I? A brief work history. I started with BPL India in Bangalore. That was my campus job. After about 2.5 years, I joined Unisys, or if you want to call it Burroughs at that time. I worked for Zawai Group for almost like 2 years. Came back to Bangalore and did some sort of a management job with a company called Minicom. They were manufacturing personal computers. After about 3 years setting up their operations in South India, I moved to Doha, Qatar, and joined Alman and Partners called Minolta and Apple Mac. And I was technical manager, basically technical operations. And after about 3 years, I got bored in Qatar, and then and at that time actually immigration was open to Canada, and I made my way to Canada. And that's when I immigrated to Canada. Since then, I have been in Canada last 21 years. And also, actually, incidentally, I walked into Minolta there. It was pretty much given. I had a lot of experience with Minolta in Middle East, and I joined Minolta. And now I'm national technical specialist for Konica Minolta in Canada, and I deal with North American operations. That's briefly my work history. Shows my places where I worked, India to Oman, back to India, then to Qatar, and then to Konica Minolta, which is Canada. This is my beautiful wife, Atiya Sholapur. She's from Bangalore, and she incidentally happens to be a Bangalore University singer as well, but unfortunately she's not here. Atiya is a database specialist. She works with healthcare database deployments. She rebuilds Canada Health Services databases. That's me and my wife. She's my lovely daughter, Noshin Sholapur, Noshin Sabha, and she's a health research scholar. She has done a master's in transfusion medicine. She's employed with McMaster University in Ontario, and she did pretty good for herself. You can see my, you want to call it elder son, Asim Sholapur. He's a nursing student, and I have youngest Amir Sholapur. He's grade 11. That's it. There was a brief whatever happened in my life so far. Thank you.
Friends, I think we'll have to go a bit faster in our presentation because we're losing time, so we have to complete the presentation strictly within 2 minutes. I will quickly finish my presentation and then I'll call out your name. So I think that's going to be better. We thought we'd just take a break and then. I was in the college. The first 2 photographs are indicators of what I was when in the college, and this is what I am now, standing in front of you. I got a photograph which is awesomely bad. Pardon me for that, but you can see me at the point where the arrow is indicating me standing there. This is another photo wherein you can see me with the other group. Sorry about the poor quality of the photograph. And in terms of working, I work for 5 companies. This is my 5th company wherein I am working now. I am working today for Lincoln Helios India Limited, which is an SKF Group company. Prior to that, I started with Vidya India. For 10 years I was there. Then I went to Goa for 10 years. I worked for IFB. Then for 2 years with the company by name Revdale Precision Tools. 2 years with Sai India Limited. And just to make you familiarize with what I was at that age. This is me at the time of marriage. Look at that nervous smile on the face, which I still carry with me, unfortunately. Now, this is me when my daughter was born. And the next photo is obviously because one of the friend of ours, Mr. Rangarajan, you can see him in the...
Yeah. He was in media.
And this is my family. 4 of them you can see here. And in the middle is my mother. And yes, to know better, my wife, she's a housewife. She's a graduate from Kenna College. You can see the date of birth. She's an excellent cook, and this I am specifically indicating here, Surya, because we did have a lot of discussion about the Mangalorean culinary specialties. Surya, you are listening to me. So, if you want further details, you can take it from her.
Okay.
And this is my daughter. She passed out from Dayanand Sagar 3 years back. She is a computer science engineer, today working for Oracle. And this is my son standing next to me, and he is again an engineer in electronics and communication from MS Rama Institute of Technology. He is today working for SAP India Limited. And that's what our family is. And you can see them here. Yes, there. Thank you.
Let them.
I am Kavita Prabhu and have two beautiful and brilliant children.
Come, go ahead. Just. So one. Okay.
Thanks, I think I have spoken enough for them. Now, Guru, please.
Hi.
Yeah.
Not yours.
But actually, in QRC times, only black and white was there. So unfortunately, it was as bad as this.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Okay, accept it.
This is what I was. I was part of basketball team. I was the captain of basketball team in KRC. I was also the vice captain of the cricket team in KRC. Some of you may not agree with me, but I'm sure Pillai will know. Rajan Pillai was playing along with me. He knows.
I saw you.
You were not a cricketer.
And this is the part of the Bangalore club. All the KRC from Bangalore. We are all together, and this is the photo from there. And this is my history. I did my MBA from IIM Calcutta immediately after my engineering. Thereafter, I worked with HMT, Vidya and Wipro up to 1990, after which I went to Muscat. Muscat, I have been working with a company called Southbound Group. And in 2007, I came back and I did freelance consultancy in Bangalore. Thereafter, now again, the same company called me back. So right now, I am again in Muscat. This is my family.
Yeah, wonderful.
On the other side, my son, eldest son, who's standing like this, whose photograph you saw right at the beginning. And that's my daughter, Alisha. My son is Vignesh. He passed out of IIT Madras in electrical engineering and he's now working in Bangalore. My daughter, Alisha, is doing her BBA. She's in second year. She's right now studying in Christ College, Bangalore. And on the right side, bottom, you see my youngest son. That's Rohit here, extreme right. And this is the snow village in Dubai. And he is right now in 12th. And that's some of the family photographs.
Any other detail?
Other details which Prakash wanted. Hobbies, TV, internet, sports, walking.
What's up?
Achievements, survived till now. Social commitments. Thanks to Sanjeev. Thanks to Sanjeev and all of you. Facebook and WhatsApp.
Thank you.
Future plans. To be a grandfather. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Gayatri and I'm very happy to see you all.
Thank you. Should I?
Who's next?
Hey, come. Debashish. There are two. I didn't see that.
Devashish.
Good evening all. I am Devashish Das, Electronics and Telecommunication. And it's a pleasant surprise to me that everybody has been able to recognize me. And they say that I am looking the same as what I was looking 34 years back. That's a big compliment and it's a pleasant surprise. So now after my college, I have joined BARC, and now I am heading one of the divisions which works intently on technological development of instruments for nuclear use. And I have been married in 1995. My wife is Sujaita. She will speak about herself. We have a son who is now studying first year in instrumentation control at Manipal. That's my small brief.